How to transfer money from Monese to Revolut. Follow the instructions. Open the Revolut app. Log into your account. Go to the Accounts section. Select the currency account you want to receive the money into. Tap on Details to view your bank information. Copy the IBAN and BIC if you are using Euro, or account number and sort code if you are using GBP. Open the Monese app. Log into your Monese account. Go to the Payments section. Select Bank Transfer. Choose to send money to a new recipient. Paste the Revolut account details you copied earlier. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review all the information. Confirm and authorize the payment. Wait for the transfer to complete. Thank you for watching.